are back, just in the Jordan 1 colorway. Now, y'all know I'm a Cowboy fan, and we won last night. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Yeah, I really appreciate you guys, man. Today we're going to do a full 4K in-depth review on the latest Jordan 1, the True Blue. And I felt like when we first seen images of this sneaker, it looked a little different. Like, I thought it had the cement print just like the cement 3s from years ago. I still got mine crisp, man. This used to be my favorite Jordan before we started getting all these kind of crazy collabs. Remember back in the days we wasn't getting collabs. This used to be my favorite one before the collabs. But yeah, so some similarities, some differences to the original True Blue Jordan 3. Definitely the blue and gray gives you True Blue vibes. I just feel like it's missing cement print. But the sneaker is dope, man. And y'all know I don't like to talk too long. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. Now, I'm going to tell y'all this right now before I even describe the box. This new colorway box Jordan 1 is doing that I begged them to do for 3-4 years, I think it's a jinx. Whenever they change the color box now, the sneaker sits in stores. But we'll talk about that later. Right here, you get a blue and white Jordan box, same color as the sneaker, minus the gray. Nice Nike logo at the top. The back has all the bells and whistles. Nike logo there. If you've seen one Jordan 1 box, they're just changing the color. The graphics is staying the same. So it reads, Air Jordan Retro High OG, True Blue, White Cement Gray. When you flip open the lid with Jordan 1s, I tell y'all to always check for that stamp there. That quality control red stamp is usually in every Jordan 1. So that's something to check for when you're trying to spot fakes. There go your mini swoosh there. You have the OG Jordan 1 tissue paper. Nothing's changed there. And let's start with the left shoe. And here's a 360 view of the Jordan 1 High OG True Blue. Now, let's start with the back. Because when I first saw pictures of this, I couldn't tell if it was suede or leather. So I know you guys are probably having that problem home. Let's fix that. It is suede nubuck, guys. As soon as I went to the Foot Locker and brought this pair, I asked to see it and I touched it first. I wanted to make sure this was suede. I mean, if it was leather, it probably would be dope too, but I'd rather the suede. Let me know in the comment section below what you rather. But that is cement gray. It looks like they just poured the cement on the floor and they waiting for it to dry. So that is cement gray, and that's the only cement gray you get in the sneaker. The overall of the sneaker really is a royal blue, game royal Jordan 1 with the hits of gray there and the hits of gray at the bottom. All right. So the toe box. This is a nice toe box, guys. This is nice leather. I've seen better, but this is good leather, guys. Look at the bounce back. Bounce back there. Around there, though, you have the blue toes. I like this leather, man. This is good leather. The $180 that Jordan 1s have gone up to, you can see where your money's going, man. So let's come up further. You have the white sandwich color block in here. And this is a first. That's new to me. Oh no, that looked like another line. Okay, that's just fine leather, guys. Here go your blue swoosh. That's on both sides of the sneaker. And this is good leather. No tumbledness. That's probably another issue that people are having. There's no tumbleness in the sneaker at all back here. But it's clean, man. Yeah, let's look in the inside. Yeah, no tumbleness in this. Your tongue sports a white mesh Jordan 1 tongue. Blue and white Nike Air accents at the top. And you got some blue shoelaces here. True blue to be exact. We're going to check the other sneaker to see if it comes with a gray pair or at least a white pair. I mean $180. No Jordan 1 shoe tree, just some tissue paper here. Inside, white with the blue Nike Air logo, just like the tongue. Same thing there. Again, I told you your whole bottom is gray, cement gray. I like it, man. I even like how it creeps up here too. Right shoe here, and I do see some shoelaces, guys. So inside here, you have a white pair of shoelaces. No gray, guys, but you got white in here. Jordan 1s really got rid of the hang tag. I thought they were lying, but it's no hang bag with your shoelaces no more. Now they come in this box. So dope. But nothing else has changed. I do see a little tumbledness in the right pair, as you can see, more than my left pair. So I guess it depends on the pair. This pair is straight from Foot Locker, guys. Yeah, the right side has a little bit more tumbleness than the left side. But everything else adds up right to left. Now, you noticed I said that colorful box is becoming a jinx. It's because everything with the colorful box, Jordan 1 with the colorful box, has been sitting. And the yellow toes, the taxis, there's no way that sneaker's restocking every day. That sneaker's way too dope, guys. But it's like, y'all ask Jordan for more pairs because y'all can't hit. And then he gives you more pairs and they sit in stores. And now you're calling them bricks. I'm so confused at the sneaker world, man. Look, buy it because you like it. Even though I'm 94% hype beast, I'm going to buy something if I like it. Like, that's period. I don't care if it sits. These right here is fire. I feel like the color blocking could have been a little different. More cement gray than blue because we seen blue Jordan 1 so much. So I get that. But the materials are great. The leather is good. I feel like if it doesn't restock, I feel like in a couple months a lot of people are going to regret not picking this sneaker up. I doubled up. I went on Foot Locker. I picked that up Saturday. And I got another pair coming from the Nike Sneakers app. I knew they were going to sit when I picked them up at Foot Locker. But this is a fire sneaker. And I'm a Dallas Cowboy fan, so y'all know I got a hotter style coming. Just get me up to 15 likes and the hotter style will come ASAP. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.